It's going to be sunny more and more, and it means that more outdoor work is coming. So today Dima decided to cut this arch because it creates a lot of shadows on our solar panels, and we critically need these solar panels to work on maximum power. So let's cut it. You ready?
I just bought a new saw files or whatever this thing is, and I hope it's gonna be enough to cut the rudder arch today. The problem is I don't know if it's any reinforcements inside or no. I think there should be some kind of like pipes, like metal pipes or something inside. We will see pretty soon. And the problem is if there's reinforcement which goes around the arch, if we will cut it, I have no idea. Is it gonna be still stay steady or is it gonna be shifting sideways? There's just only one way to find out. This is, oh my god, no, stop. This is the worst idea ever. But yeah, we just want to try to collect all dust as much as possible, as much as we can.
Are you turning it? Hey!
Is it a good idea or no? Okay, so we decided to take a break a little bit. Before I will start to cut this portion of a radar arch, I want to turn off 12 volt of the sea because we know there's some lights over here plus anchor light. So just to make sure we will not have a short circuit, yeah, we need to turn it off, and after we should cut. And I know what all wires goes here, not on another side, so
Good, on time.
yeah.
This vacuum system works almost perfectly, but there is still some dust. It's not that bad actually. I expected way worse.
Yeah, yeah. And the good thing is there's no metal reinforcement inside. I mean, it's a good thing, and also it's still standing super strong. So yeah, later on we also will do some reinforcement over here because it will be better to have some, you know, some kind of triangles or squares over here. But yeah, overall, nice. Okay, we discovered one interesting thing. First of all, there's 3 wires, which is going somewhere at the back. Uh, I noticed when we did installation for our boat, there was some wires which are not connected anywhere. So I believe after they installed this roof and a radar arch, they basically didn't connect all of these wires. So by design, the person who did all of this, they kind of expect there would be a lot of additional appliances, and why not? But they basically didn't connect it anywhere. And for us, it's actually good because we can use all of these wires, all of these connections, because we can hide all of our wires from solar panels. Plus, we will have a Starlink over here, and we will be able basically to hide all of these wires over here. I'm still not sure how we're gonna finish all of this. My initial plan was to cut it like in one level with the roof and basically the fiberglass the top. Or maybe we'll just keep it as it is. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. What do you think? Maybe we should like cut it like later on. Not
Later,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. For now, we will just keep it as it is. Yeah, let's go.
Let's do the rest.
Yeah, let's do it.
One more to go.
Yeah. Check this out. No shadows. No shadows.
Yay. Interesting moment that now our flybridge feels smaller because we don't have this huge arch, so it has more space, but it feels smaller. We'll see how it will be after all when we'll repair everything like from here. Oh, so much mess, so much mess, so much work. We still have a lot of things that we need to throw out in this corner, especially this kitchen stuff. But for now, we'll store the rest here, and you'll need to find out where we can throw everything.
Now I understand that it was a good idea not to cut the whole thing as one piece.
Yeah, originally we had an idea to just cut it all together, and it's probably pretty heavy to get all together.
Oh, fuck. It's not gonna fit.
Doesn't fit, or it's not good. Let's cut it into.
Ugh. Really? So yeah, now we just need to cover all these cuts from rain and other moisture because we are planning to finish all of these things in a couple of months. But we had to cut it right now because it's getting pretty sunny right now, and we wanted to maximize
Our solar energy.
our solar energy gain. So yeah, this was the main reason why we're doing it right now. Let's wrap it up. The sun is out. Let's go and check is there any difference in the power generation. Oh no. And yeah, we have 700 watts right now. Before it was about 300-400 watts. The same weather setup, same cloudy day, no direct sunlight. So yeah, I would say 700 watts is pretty nice because it's more than we using right now.
Cool.
We're
We're generating energy. Whoa.
Yeah, finally.
And today we even didn't turn on generator yet. Say final words.
Okay. Stay tuned and see what we will do with our flybridge because I hope we will do something pretty soon.
Yee.